209, the 1973 Alfa Romeo Montreal, a proper connoisseur's GT car marrying a breathtakingly futuristic Gandini design with a powerful V8 related to the Tipo 33. Longtime Pebble Beach judge John Lane commissioned a full cosmetic restoration on this car, executed by Scott Grunfor before acquisition by the consignor, who likewise is a Concours veteran. This car has been owned by some very knowledgeable car connoisseurs. The 1973 Alfa Romeo Montreal.
Thank you very much, Alan. Lots of interest in the Montreal, I have to say. Lots of interest in Italy as well. Of course, where are my Italian friends? 60,000 to start me. There you are. 60.000 se volete cominciare. 60.000. Grazie. I've got $60,000 bid from Italy. 60.000 avete voi. At 60,000. Do I have 70 now? Do I have 70 anyway? I'm selling the car already at $60,000 then. Going to Italy at $60,000. Thank you, sir. $70,000. Siamo a 70.000. 80 se volete. Siete sicuri? Aspettate, well, I've got 70,000 bid here, thank you. 80,000 on my right, did 80,000. Do I have 90 from you, sir? I've got 80,000 bid. Well, I'm selling on my right for the Alfa Romeo Montreal. Siete fuori voi a 80.000. Okay, well at $80,000 and I'm selling on my right. It's going already for the first time. Thank you. 85,000 on my left here. 90,000, thank you. At 90,000 and 5. Is that a yes? Sorry, I apologize. 100,000 from either of you gentlemen. $100,000 I have bid. At 100,000, well, thank you for the bids anyway. I always appreciate them. At $100,000 then it's on my right here on the aisle and selling all the way. Siamo a $100,000 e contro di voi. Siete sicuri? 105 se volete? Va bene, well at 100,000 then my Italian friends are out. I'm selling here on the right and it's going to be sold for the first time. At just $100,000 then, it's going to be sold right here for the second time. I cannot quite believe it, what a great buy it is. At just $100,000. Do I have any advance? Well, if we're all done, ladies and gentlemen, for the third and last time, se voi avete finito a $100,000 at $100,000 then I'm all done, all finished. Sold your car, well done, very well bought. $634,000.